A single bolt of lightning can toast 100,000 slices of bread, turning breakfast into an electrifying event. Imagine the sheer power packed into that brilliant flash of light streaking across the sky. This natural phenomenon carries an immense amount of energy, enough to charge up your morning in a way you never thought possible. Lightning's raw power is a spectacle of nature, a reminder of the incredible forces at play in our world. But how does it work? When lightning strikes, it releases energy at temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, instantly superheating the air around it. If harnessed, a single bolt could power your toaster for weeks. Next time you see a storm rolling in, picture the potential of all that energy, enough to toast breakfast for a whole town. Lightning may be a fleeting moment in the sky, but its impact is as powerful as it is enlightening.